This is a new vlog. And yeah, I didn't do something. I forgot what I was supposed to do. The vlog that I did, it's too long. And I'll put some of the stuff that I did in it on here. Not all of it, because it's too long. And yeah, I know, Day. But yeah, got home, took a shower. Now I'm here. Yeah, I've gotta eat something. Kinda hungry. I haven't eaten much today. So yeah. But I'm gonna go. See y'all in a bit. Okay, so I got a microphone, as y'all could tell. Oh, it's so hot. But sorry, it's getting all situated. My hair has not been brushed because I want it to look curly-ish. Anyways, sorry. I'm very distracted. So basically, I got a microphone off TikTok shop before I got TikTok and took it away, and Instagram and Snapchat, Before I got that, I took it away because I did something that I should have done, which was, yeah, but I bought that off TikTok shop before I got it taken away, but someday I will earn it back. That's just not right now, as well as Snapchat, maybe Instagram, probably not, but why not? Anywho, I'm losing hair, but we're taking my brother to a friend's house, so yeah.
Daddy ran it over.
Okay, so Bailey's trying on my pants.
Hold on, I need to...
She saw the results, and they're my new pants. So, yeah. Bailey! Bailey!
The thighs are Wow! Wow!
Can I show you what my foot looks like when I wear them?
Hold up. Look at that voluptuous thigh.
They've got them in shorts as well. Dang, girl!
Dang. How does it do that?
Hi. It is 11 o'clock. Whoa. And my parents are not back yet. We are watching my little sibling. My youngest sibling, actually, ew. Because mom and dad went on a date. So, yeah. Hair looking good. Also, I have therapy, not PT, but like, I'm gonna go talk to my counselor, not counselor, my therapist Wednesday. So I've been trying to talk to my mom about something, and it's just not coming out of my mouth, and I need help. But yeah, the hair is hairing. Really proud of it. So yeah, but gonna go hang out with my sister now. Okay. I'm hearing the people again. I'm hearing my friend. I did miss him. But I thought it was my mom. I said, hey, Faith. No, it's not. So that's fun. Hi. So, I'm here with Poppy. I'm sitting here with Poppy. And we're watching. We don't know what we're watching.
TV.
Which channel surfing? This is weird. Can I jump in the hole, please? I've got my microphone, as you can see. My brother's friend is here. And I don't want to be in the house. So. Also, the hair. It's a heron. I got paid. I'm getting Cheetos. I haven't had them in like 2 weeks. Yay. And also, I don't know. But I'm getting Cheetos.
So good. So good.
I'll get copyrighted if you say it. Sorry. Good morning. So, I am out here with Daisy. Day! Go share with it. Hold on. I'm not the dog in first. Also, hair is doing its thing, sorta. Kinda, maybe. So I'm wearing my new pants. As y'all saw in the little video I think I uploaded. I don't think I did. Yeah, my hair is doing something. I'm just going with it. Look at my new pants. And this shirt that I've had forever. And so yeah, we're going to church. And yeah. And I'll see y'all after church.
Father Knows Best or Robert Young, Dr. Welby.
I'm watching Full House and it's raining. I'm about to eat Cheetos. So, chilling. Listen. in a very bad thunderstorm that basically turned off our power, and it was like becoming a little tornado. But yeah, you'll see here in a few minutes. But yeah, everything was fine, and then that happened.
Holy mother of Moses, help! So there's a big storm happening right now. Turn the lights out, brother. So that just happened. I was just going to show you how much it's thundering and lightning. That's why I'm from the man. I didn't even have to show you what just happened. Look at that.
It's coming down, y'all.
Lightning, brother, lightning. This way, we don't have to see. Lightning.
Bailey, wanna sit with me?
I'm scared.
Come here. Come here, little sister. Come here.
Hold on, I want to change.
You wanna change?
Yeah, but I'm
Whoa!
holy shit.
What is happening? What the hell?
Is there a tornado?
I don't think though it would send a notification.
Hey, come in here to the bathroom.
Okay. Go, Bailey, go.
It's all good. Because God's with us.
It's a waning, and a following, and a star. Bailey's in the bathroom.
So we just had to go in our bathroom because
Yeah, almost.
there's a really bad thunderstorm.
Hi, Kim.
And we thought there was a tornado for a second. And
No, we did not think it was a tornado, Bailey.
I thought there was. And I'm literally in the bathtub with my cat. Right there,
So-
he said, hey, come in the bathroom real
He said-
quick. And I literally, I spent no time.
I didn't even get bandit.
I-
Find me some in one piece. So it looks like a mess in here, but it's actually clean.
It's just that storm made us 3 things around, dude. 3 things, dude. Very fine.
We're gonna be packing for
Camp.
camp.
Because we just got the wet scared out of it.
Yeah, so why not pack? Alright. So the storm has been over. We did school. Still no electricity. The electricity won't be on till like 7 o'clock at night. So yeah. But we're going out to eat. And I have to change because Nana won't eat with me if I'm not changed. So that's fun. Okay. We're not going to talk about the fact that I'm going to be wearing the same exact pants that I wore yesterday. Because I don't feel like wearing blue jeans. Yeah. Good God Almighty. This is what I'm wearing. I would brush my hair.
Oh, I don't want to put clothes on.
But you have to. So. Oh, good Lord. No. Stop. Wait. There. That was very aggressive. And guess what happened? Guess what freaking happened? I got hurt in the process. So I was gonna ask a lady for a cup because Shirley back there, and I didn't want to call her back over to go back there to get another cup. And all that. Well, I like jogged a little bit, and I busted my knees on the concrete floor because my foot went like this. Okay, this was me. I was running a little bit, and then my ankle like did this, and then I went like this to fix it, and then I went pop. It was awful, and it hurt. So I have a brace for my right ankle now. This is my knee. This is my knee. It hurts. It's bruised. This one is one that I already hurt, and I've re-hurt it. So that's fun.